What is up, everybody? I'm Moritz, a Shopify developer from Germany, and super often I do get asked by my clients how to build them those countdown sections, as this one right here. It contains of an image, this text right here, and of course the countdown. And of course it's good for me because it means business and I can charge them up to $100 an hour. But in reality, you don't really need me for that. I'm gonna show you a little secret of how I actually do it. And I hope it's going to be useful for you because I do use the app Section Store. It's a component library for specifically Shopify designed components, and you can get the app in the App Store completely for free. And the one we will be having a look at today is called Scrolling Text 8. That is the one I'm talking about. And like I said already, instead of paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars in developer costs, you only have to pay a one-time fee of $9 here, which is a pretty good deal in my opinion. And as you can see here, you can customize it to your likings. You don't need a developer. You can do that all yourself, and I'm going to show you how you can do that one as well. So head back to the My Sections area of the app. After successfully getting the section, add it to the theme you're using. In my case, it's the Dawn Light theme, but it does work on every theme, so don't worry about that neither. Then simply just open up your theme editor right here. I have already done so, and that is one I just built for fun, but for you, we're gonna start completely from scratch. So I'm gonna save this up real quick. I'm gonna walk you through the whole process of adding the section, customizing it, and then we're gonna have a final look at it. Okay, let's get started. Type in Scrolling Text 8 here. That's the one we just got and installed. Let's just open this up. The first thing I would like to do is to save it up so we don't run into any errors. Let's be extra sure here. Save it up right there, and now we want to drag it all the way to the top. It's the first thing I do want customers to see, what offers we have right now. So yeah, let's get started with the text. So instead of your scrolling text here, we're gonna type 20% discount on everything. This is looking lovely already. And the nice thing you can do here as well is to stencil text. So if I type in the discount right here, it's going to stencil it out. As you can see right there, you get this little outline. Maybe another font does make more sense. That's also one thing you can do. Change the font to whatever font you like. I want to use something a bit thicker so that effect comes out better. This is looking way nicer in my opinion. And now we finished that one. Now I want to add an image as well. It is a shoe brand. It's just a super fictional thing. So we're gonna, of course, put in a little shoe right here. That one is looking lovely, black and white as well. We can of course change the width, height, and whatever we prefer. And now I want to switch the countdown timer, not to 2025. We want to set it to 2024, August the 11th, and the time is fine for me. And this is already looking pretty nice, and we can even hide it on complete. So the whole thing will just keep running without that. And now I want to save this up again. So this should hopefully update in a second. So yeah, now we have 21 days, the 20% discount. And yeah, you can see you can change the size and a lot of other things here as well. And now we can of course link the button to something. Let's just say we want to link it to maybe our shoe collection. Give this one another save. So we are extra careful and sure here with the whole thing. And now I want to head back and show you one final thing you can do. You can change, of course, the speed of this whole thing. Whole thing is, of course, fully responsive. It does work on mobile as well. We can pause it on hover, which I want to deactivate in that case, because I do think it's quite cool how it is. We could change the section background. So if I want to give it a subtle brownish or whatever your brand color is, that is also possible. We can change all the margins, paddings, whatever you name it. But yeah, I don't want to get into detail too much. I think I covered all the necessary steps right here. And now I want to open it up in my live version. Let's get this going. Hopefully the timer will activate. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. The button is also active, has a nice little hover here, and I do think it's a really decent looking section. And like I said already, for $9, super sweet deal. So yeah, hope you guys found that useful. If you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.